So, hello guys! For today's video guys, mag-English daw kuno ta, English challenge kuno, English German ba. So, this video is only, I can only speak English and German now. With accent daw. Dili mag-fluent with accent. Bisaya accent ba nga? Sorry. Atro. For today's video guys, I must only speak German or English. So, this video is requested to my colleague, my coworker. So, because she don't understand what I am talking about. For this video, I told her I am a vlogger. She asked me about my videos because she's my friend and Facebook. I'm sorry. It's raining men. For today's video, I show you what I am for a person in real life. Okay, because in a real life because in a real life I am a funny person. I am not serious like what you always see in my video. So to those all basher, welcome to my home. Welcome to my vlog. Just come inside to my house. What happened to the umbrella, anak? So as you can see, we are outside because we are in the gasoline station. We bought breakfast there. I cannot concentrate now. So that's all for today. So that's all for today. Bye bye.